Nice fish. Oh, yes! Oh, that was so awesome. We're in Big Fish Alley here with all the trees. There he is. He came up and got it. Oh, there he goes. Oh, oh. Look at this guy. Fat fish. We got a guy hitching a ride here. That's about the right size, Cope. Oh yeah. Salmon fly season. We finally hit it. Both Kobe and I have yet to catch a trout on the salmon fly. And we're gonna try that tonight.
Should be pretty cool.
It's gonna be great. All right, let's get down and do this. Fish on.
Fish on.
Gotta throw the big dry. Oh, I already had a rise right here. Came up and grabbed it. There we go. Oh, had one. Oh, there we go. He took the dry. Oh, no. Oh, that was a good fish. Swinging dries. Who would have thought? Oh, there we go. Nice. Oh. Gotta love how these guys jump. Nice. Nice red band. Sweet. Golden stone. So, Kobe, what's cool about editing is with just a snap of your fingers or just a big pop, we're in the next day. Whoa, and just like that, we're in a different spot. Gotta love the power of editing. Kobe and I have no idea where we are. We just keep walking and walking. How long have we been walking now?
Maybe an hour.
About an hour?
Yeah.
Just absolutely just stunning hike down, but we're trying to get to the main river. Nice little creek here. Still shocked that nothing was there when Kobe threw in a line, but we're gonna keep going and hopefully get into a salmon fly hatch down at the confluence. All right,
Cool.
Let's do this. Fish on.
Fish on.
Hey, cougar. Too scared of a dog, wouldn't they? Wow. Looks great down there. Now if we can just get down there. I'm gonna hike right down here. Oh no. Put a dent in the reel. Put my first battle scar in my rod. Not too bad. See it right there. Almost ate it. Oh, there we go. A couple fish came up, grabbed it. Sweet. This thing, beautiful fish. Oh wait, this is what you do after you're boiling during a hike. Oh, it takes your breath away. That feels great. What's up, Pelkey?
Hey.
We're gonna do a little fishing for salmon flies today. Cannot wait. And they've been popping.
They have. What's going on now?
So, do you have any slots left?
We got a few.
Got a few. So check out his website, Little Leaf Guide Service. See if you can get a spot because bugs are freaking everywhere. And Kobe first cast, first fish on a salmon fly. Didn't take long. Let's do this.
Live. Let's do it.
Fish on. What's up, Kobe? If anyone wants to know what poison ivy looks like, that's it right there. Stay away from that. Oh, he just came up and ate another one. Oh, yes! Oh, that was so awesome. Oh, that's a good fish too. Oh man, first cast. You gotta love that. Oh, he's got a good one, big fish. Oh, nice.
One on a salmon fly.
Oh, look at that guy. That is beautiful. Oh, sweet, man. That is so awesome. Oh, yeah. Oh, dang, I made the cast.
Hold on. Let me see your bug real quick.
That is some customization right there. Like feet.
You could do that on store-bought flies and go right behind guides that use them flies, and this simple little trick right here is enough to fool them.
Nice. Oh, there we go. Oh, yes. That's not fun at all. These things are so feisty. Come on, buddy. This little guy. Poor little fish. Yeah, I was fishing, and then I started bringing it out, and he hammered it out there. Oh, man. There's some big fish underneath those trees. Like, if that line that you got right now, there's several fish, but there's one right on the inside. See him? No! There you go, that's the good one too. Swim off. Nicely done though, Cobe, wow. Got a friend. It's hard to get underneath that, the tree. Oh my God, I've made the cast. Oh, got him. Oh, yeah, I did. Oh, I don't know how I managed that cast. It was just like perfectly, I cast it up and it happened to almost mend itself under the tree. Oh man, that was pretty freaking cool. Decent, probably 14, 15. But it's just more how it happened, It's so cool. It's a good fish. Oh, there's a reach. Oh yeah, it's a good fish. Oh, it's such a pretty fish. You can tell he's been munching on some salmon flies. Oh, look how fat he is. Look at him. He is a chunk. Chunky. Oh, thank you very much. Woo! That's so awesome. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I changed back over to the gold and he came and ate it. That's the one that's been working. pretty great. I put that gold stone back. He didn't like the black one. So and he was eating naturals, you know, right by it. Ah, nice. 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 Whoa. It's not graceful. Oh my God, that was a big fish. Did you see that thing? Oh my God. All right. I'm gonna have to see if I can. All right, here it goes. Oh my God. Oh, I think he's off. Is he off? No, he's still running. Oh, he still got him. Oh my God. Oh my God. He is a large fish. Look at this. Look at this rod. Man, he's pulling hard. If he jumps, it'll be right in the trees. It looks deeper than my waders. Yeah. It's all right. I'll be able to get him here. Keeping the rod tip almost in the water. It's like right against the bank. Oh, is he in the bank? There it is. That's a good fish. Got him? Nice. Way to go, man. Oh, the first fish that hellbender landed, and it's a beauty. Look at that thing.
All right.
Look at this guy. Oh, that is a tank. Look at that fish. That is a pig. That is awesome. Sweet. So good, Elkie. Thank you so much.
You bet. Well, we've got.
That was such a battle. I haven't had a battle like that with a trout in a long time. I mean, that 3-weight, that R8 was corked, completely corked. And if it wasn't for Elkie jumping in and netting it, there was no way I was getting that fish in. That was a ton of fun. That is why we do what we do on the fly rod. Pretty cool. So what's cool about this spot is right where Kobe's fishing right now. Last time I was here, I caught a little whitefish and something pretty crazy happened. There we go. Oh, that's a big one. Oh my God, look at the bull trout right there. Look at the bull trout trying to eat the fish. Oh my God. So let's hope we can actually catch a bull trout on a fly this time. I'm using a great big bunny leech, and I'm just gonna swing this same hole. I didn't have anything this big when the last time I was here, so I literally tied on 2 streamers back to back, but they had none of it. So hopefully this giant tungsten head bunny leech will do the trick. All right, let's do this. Fish on. Fish on! I totally screwed that up. I thought, I'm not gonna catch anything on this giant streamer. Dude, I think this is a bull trout. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, yes. Dude, it's a bull trout. Oh my God. Look at the size of this streamer. Dude, look at the colors on this guy. Look at this thing. Wow. Get him in the sun. Wow, look at this guy. That is a beautiful fish. Sweet. You know, these things are so hard to catch that I wasn't even filming, and just kind of casually swinging this great big bunny leech, and that big old bull trout came up and eat it. Pretty freaking cool.